everyone! So, my name is Noemi and today I'm super excited to unbox my new Macbook Air M1 chip. Galing pa nga ako sa labas, super pagod ako kasi inasikaso ko yung pag-ibig housing loan ko. And then, nalaman ko na dineliver na siya today. So, super nagmadali talaga ako para makauwi. First off, nabili ko siya ng 48,990 sa apple.ph. Ililink ko na lang yung step-by-step paano order dito. Sa delivery, so, technically, in-order ko siya noong December 12 and then na-ship siya noong December 30th. Yan, as of December 30, na-ship na siya. And nakalagay dito, arriving siya sa January 22nd. Hopefully, dumating siya ng maaga. Na-receive ko siya ngayong January 18. So, supposedly, ma-receive ko siya ng January 22, pero napaaga siya ng ilang days. So, I'm super happy. Ang courier niya is DHL. Anyway, without further ado, buksan na natin. Yay! Super happy. Full tab siya dito. Which is super convenient kapag magbubukas ka, hindi na kailangan ng scissors or knife. Ayan. Yay! Sorry, hindi ko talaga makontain yung excitement. Super happy, guys. Ayan. So, ayan. Okay, so, alam niyo naman, ang ganda ng packaging ng Apple, as we all know. So, ang laman niya, actually. As usual, the power cord, power brick. So, yan lang naman, ang laman ng box. And, I think Apple stickers meron dito. I've seen plastic. I think this one is super satisfying, as they say. Let's just open it up. Okay, this is SMAR. Forgot what it's called, but regardless, satisfying to hear it. Hindi nabibigyan ng justice sa camera, but medyo pinkish. Medyo rose gold siya. Hindi siya talaga super gold. Wow! Hey, finally! So, yung current location. Super nice. Ito yung isang laptop ko. And then, ito siya. Super nice. Look. Ang gandang linaw-linaw niya. Grabe. I don't know paano gamitin to, guys, actually. Naninibago ako kasi sanay ako sa mouse. So, there you have it, guys. Ang dami ko pang kailangan matutunan kasi naninibago pa ako sa kanya from Windows, laptop. So, ngayon magta-transition ako sa Macbook Air, which is first time ko lang magkaroon ng Mac. So, ang dami ko pang nalilito-lito pa ako mag-download ng mga documents. I don't know if I'm gonna use it tomorrow for my work, but I'm gonna try to do that so that I can give you an update in as early as 1 week. So, just watch out for that. And I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos as much as I can. So thank you so much for watching.